Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is creative and contains a very beautiful pattern of unique ideas and hand embroidery design related to women fashion world. But before going into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And please make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you want me to share and what you are liking about my content and what you want me to share in my upcoming new videos. I always welcome your opinions, suggestions and requests, so I hope that you will listen to my requests and keep supporting us and keep watching my content as you always have been. My YouTube friends and family members, the topic of my today's video is extremely important and hot in itself because all of you, my YouTube friends and family members, are liking different type of hand embroidery patterns for dresses. And similarly, this video is in the continuation of those videos into which you have been requesting me to share beautiful, unique, stylish, trendy and at the same time easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas, hand embroidery designs for dresses, for kurtis, for shirts, for gowns, for maxi dresses. Friends, the beauty of these designs is that these designs are 3-in-1. That is, you can use these dresses for Eastern look, you can use these dresses for Western look, and you can use these dresses for East-West combination based look as well. So let's move towards the basic essentials. That is, you need embroidery threads, and the embroidery thread you can use for making these patterns is anchor, DMC, and even you can use wool and silk or satin ribbons for making these embroidery patterns. These very beautiful neckline embroidery patterns have been made by using simple, easy and basic embroidery stitches like ring knot, bullion knot, French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, wheel stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, and some of the other basic hand embroidery stitches that are extremely friendly for hand embroidery beginners as well. So guys, I hope that you like my ideas, you are liking my patterns, and please share your experiences with us in the comment section, that if you have tried any of the pattern and how that pattern looked like and what was the reaction of the people who saw your that hand embroidery art. For watching more creative, stylish and beautiful friends, for getting stylish, trendy and amazing ideas related to women fashion, girls fashionable accessories, hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, computer embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, crochet design patterns, knitting design ideas, baby girl dress designing, girls fashionable accessories like footwear, bags, handmade creative stuffs, jewelry design ideas, gemstones, original information and many more creativities related to home decor, do watch my channel on daily basis. We try our level best to provide beautiful, stylish, creative and trendy ideas on daily basis. The purpose of my videos is to share design ideas who are the lovers of fashion designing. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.